Hello again and welcome to your latest weather update from the Met Office. The weather will stay quite autumnal as we go through the next few days and into the weekend, and that's because of the jet stream which is running actively across the UK. Notice as well the warm air that we're dragging in from the south. That's why temperatures staying above average for the time of year. Taking a look through the next few days, and low pressure will never be too far away, and with associated frontal systems making their way across the UK, there will be further spells of changeable weather with some blustery winds and rain as well. But if we head back to the here and now, and as we go through the rest of Wednesday, you can see, yes, there's some heavy rain towards the far northwest of Scotland, but that will clear away. Otherwise, for many parts, it is going to be largely dry, at least to start the night. There will be a bit of mist and fog around, particularly towards south-southeastern parts around Salisbury Plain. The Chilterns could have some low cloud, some murkiness here. Notice as well, towards the end of the night, though, some cloud and rains pushing in from the southwest. Could be a bit heavy at times across parts of southwest England and South Wales, perhaps the odd rumble of thunder as well. Temperatures overnight aren't going to drop much for most places, so it is generally going to stay in the double digits. Some places towards Scotland could just about fall into single figures, but towards the south, some places may only fall as low as 16 or 17 Celsius, so really quite a mild night for the time of year. As we go through Thursday, we are going to see the cloud and the rain towards the southwest continuing its way across the UK. So as we head into the afternoon, much of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, it's going to be cloudy and wet here. Watch out, the rain could be a little bit heavy at times. Further south, across the bulk of England and Wales, it is turning drier and brighter as we head through the afternoon, though still one or two showers around, and these could pack a bit of a punch. Temperature-wise, and it's going to be another warm day, a little bit warmer than recently for some, could get to the low 20s, 21, perhaps even 22 Celsius towards the southeast, but for many, temperatures well above average for the time of year. We do need to watch out for some blustery winds in exposed spots. We could be touching gales, so that will take the edge off the temperatures just a little bit. As we go through the end of the day on Thursday, the cloud and rain across parts of Scotland will gradually make its way northwards, so for many it will be largely dry for a time. I emphasise for a time because we do have some wet weather then pushing its way in from the west, turning heavy over parts of Northern Ireland as we go through the early hours of Friday and eventually reaching parts of western Scotland, Wales and southwest England. Temperatures again aren't going to drop much, many places staying in the mid-teens Celsius, so a remarkably mild night to come, considering it is late October. As we go through Friday then, we are going to see that rain in the west pushing its way northeastwards. It will be heavy and persistent for a time with some strong winds to boot. Not a huge amount of rain reaching far southeastern parts, so a largely dry day here, and the rain will clear away as we go into the afternoon. So across much of England, Wales and Northern Ireland, it will be brighter and drier through the afternoon. Still quite blustery and temperatures not quite as high as on Thursday, but still well above average for the time of year. Remember, there's more information on the full forecast wherever you are on both the Met Office website, our app, and of course our social media channels. See you later.